Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you why Python is best. So guys, now let's begin. Today's most demanding programming language is Python, and also Python is most easiest programming language, and also Python is most popular programming language behind Java and C. So now let me tell you uses of Python. Number one, AI and machine learning. Python code is understandable by human. That's why you can do machine learning and AI with Python. Number two, programming and application. You can program all kind of application with Python. And also Python is most easiest programming language. So that's why you have to code little and your result will be more. Number five, web development. So you can use Python to develop a website, and also you can learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make a static website. And in the last, you can learn Python as backend. But if you don't want to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then you can learn Python. So with Python, you can do frontend and backend. Number four, game development. With Python, you can develop games. So there are many games that have created with Python. Number five, language development. With Python, you can develop your own programming language. So if you want to develop your own programming language, then you can learn Python. So guys, now you know why Python is amazing programming language. And guys, you also do you know YouTube, Google is developed by Python. So guys, that's it for now. So thanks for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more videos like this, then guys, please subscribe to this channel and you also press the bell icon. So guys, thanks for watching for now. See you next time.